Today we are diving into a gem of a neighborhood in one of Port St. Lucie's top golf communities, the Greenbrier Neighborhood. Plus, I'll be showing you an exclusive look at my newest listing inside of Greenbrier, so let's dive right in. Greenbrier is located within the PGA Village community in St. Lucie West, just next to the interstate, making it very easy to commute and also easy to get to the St. Lucie West restaurants and shopping plazas just over the interstate bridge. And also we have a local favorite restaurant just outside the gates of PGA Village, being Tutto Fresco, and obviously PGA Village has golf courses. One of the main attractions here is PGA Village Golf Club, where you will have access to 3 championship level golf courses. PGA Village Golf Club is a semi-private course where they have multiple membership options. PGA Village Golf Club also offers private lessons, junior clinics, and they're constantly doing golf and social events for members. And also there are 2 restaurants at PGA Village Golf Club. You have the Taplow Pub, which is open to the public, and you also have the other restaurant, which is exclusively for members. Another incredible perk is the Legacy Golf and Tennis Club, which is located right outside the entrance of the Greenbrier neighborhood. This is a private club with multiple memberships to pick from to enjoy the various amenities. You have the Legacy Golf Course, the pickleball and tennis courts, bocce ball, a dog park, an outdoor pool, and 2 restaurants, including the Sims Club and the Fazio Bar, which gives you a formal and casual dining option just walking distance away from the Greenbrier neighborhood. So now we're going to go check out the Greenbrier neighborhood. Greenbrier is made up of 117 homes that were built by Coulter Homes in the early 2000s. The location and site map of Greenbrier really promotes privacy. The location is also closer to the front of PGA Village, which is a huge perk because some neighborhoods, once you get to the front gate, can be close to a 10-minute drive. So I think it's a big perk where Greenbrier is located. The homes of Greenbrier range from about 1,700 square feet up to about 2,200 square feet, with prices ranging from the mid 400,000s up to the high 500,000s, making it a really great value if you're looking to buy in a golf community. If you are looking to have that golf community lifestyle in Port St. Lucie, then Greenbrier is going to be one of the few options that you have in this price range. Now let me tell you about my listing in Greenbrier at 7630 Greenbrier Circle. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom at 1,795 square feet. This home has had extensive remodeling to include the addition of a den, a fully remodeled kitchen, including new countertops, a porcelain sink, and a beautiful custom wood stucco hood. Both bathrooms were also remodeled, as well as adding additional storage and remodeling the laundry area. The entire house has new vinyl flooring, and there's also fresh paint throughout the entire interior of the home. This home is truly beautiful and is definitely the most updated home I've seen in Greenbrier. So the new owners get to just move right in and skip all of the projects and headaches and start enjoying the golf community lifestyle from day one. I even included some of the before and after shots throughout the home tour, just so you can get a better idea of what the transformation of this home looked like. I really hope you like it and enjoy the tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'll have a link in the description for the listing, and if you have any questions or want to see this property in person, feel free to contact me. And also, if you know you are looking to buy or sell anywhere in Port St. Lucie, please fill out a contact form in the description below to get that process started. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.